Hello everybody, today we're going to unbox, take a close-up look and test the Renpho Smart Digital Bathroom Scale. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So this model is the ES-26M and it's available in black or white. This is the white version. And here are some of the specifications for this ES-26M Renpho Smart Digital Bathroom Scale. And it does take 3 AAA batteries. And now let's go ahead and open up the box. By of course cutting apart the sticky seal or tape. And then pulling the tab open, and now lifting up the box lid to reveal the foam packaging layer. Let's remove the foam packaging, and now you have a nice clear view of this Renpho Smart Digital Bathroom Scale model ES-26M. This is the white model. There's also a black one. Okay, so let's start off by lifting the bathroom scale out of the box. So quite noticeable is the weight of it. Of course it is tempered glass, which allows you to stand on it quite safely. And showing you the rest of the contents in the box. Let's remove the papers. So there appears to be a user manual as well as a customer satisfaction, or at least product satisfaction card. And we're going to set it to the side for now. And there are 3 batteries here, 3 AAA batteries. And let's set them down as well. And of course, making sure that there's nothing else left under the foam packaging. Now we're going to set the box to the side. Okay, so just going to set it to the side, perhaps on the right hand side. So I'm just going to shift the Smart Digital Scale to the left of the screen and setting the box to the right of the frame right there. Okay, and now we're going to take a close-up look at the items that we've just removed from the box packaging. So just laying them quite clearly there so you can see all the contents and accessories that we've just removed from the box packaging. So let's start off by taking a close-up look at this product satisfaction card from Renpho with some social media contacts as well, or at least support contacts. And there we have the social media information on the back. And now let's set the card to the side and then take a close-up look at the user guide or user manual. So you can see it is pretty comprehensive in terms of the thickness. Let's find out what's inside. So there we go. So the user guide or user manual, instruction manual, is covered in 5 different languages. And just doing a quick flip through of the English section. So for your reference, right there, and so on and so forth. So the Renpho Smart Digital Bathroom Scale does work, or is meant to work, with your smart device such as a smartphone or tablet using the Renpho app, which is free. And it's available from the Play Store or Apple Store. And the next section here is in a different language, so on and so forth for the other 4 languages. Okay, so let's set the user manual down. Set down over here on the bottom right hand corner. And now we can take a close-up look at the batteries, just to show you the batteries that have come included with the Renpho Smart Digital Bathroom Scale model ES-26M. So it is ready to be used, as it comes supplied with 3 AAA batteries. Okay, so now setting the batteries down and then taking a close-up look at the bathroom scale. So this smart scale, you can see, has 4 sensors or 4 individual contact patches or electrodes, so you need to make sure that your socks or your feet aren't covered when you stand on the scale, so that the measurements can be taken. Okay, and on the underside you can see that it does have those 4 individual sensors right there, and giving you a much closer look. And at the battery compartment as well, right there in the middle, and some specifications for this smart scale, and just showing you the thickness of it as well, always good to know. So this is Renpho's smallest smart scale in terms of size, but does all the same things as their other smart scales. So nice and compact in size. And just to give you some idea of the scale or size of this smart scale, I'm going to set it down, but before that let me hold it in the right orientation, so you're looking at it the right way up, with the Renpho branding facing towards your view right here. You can see at the bottom the Renpho branding and the 4 electrodes or sensors on the surface of this smart digital bathroom scale. Okay, so I'm going to set it down so you get some sense of the size of the scale, resting my hand in the middle of the scale right there. So you can see it is rather compact. Your feet are going to be pretty close together when you stand on this scale. So once again, giving you that look there of this Renpho smart scale, the ES-26M, that's the model number, and it's available in black as well as this color right here, which is white. And giving you a close-up look at the electrode right there in the middle of the frame, and the Renpho branding right there between the 2 sensors or electrodes, and giving you some idea of the thickness right there. Once the camcorder achieves autofocus, you can see or make out the thickness of the scale right there. Okay. So nice all-round look on the underside. As well as the top side to this Renpho Smart Digital Bathroom Scale. Okay, so now let's open up the battery compartment that sits on the underside and in the middle of the scale, revealing, of course, the battery compartment itself with the cover lifted. So it does take 3 AAA batteries, which come supplied, as we've seen. Let's remove the plastic wrapper so that we can pop them in and power up the smart scale. Okay, looking in, let's pop the batteries in the correct orientation. So right there, going that way, and fitting the middle one last, right there. And doing a quick flip around before I put the cover on, you can see it does have a nice red LED display right there, or at least LCD display. And popping the battery cover back on. Let's set it down. Right there in the middle of the frame. So you have a nice good look. And let's see what happens if I stand on it. Of course, it's meant to weigh or take the measurement of my weight. That's one thing that it will do. However, I've not linked the app with the scale, so let's see if it will take a read. So it does, as you can see, it does have a nice crisp display through that translucent screen, and it's showing 80.70 kilograms or kg. So I'm just stepping off now, and let's step on it again to see if it will give us that same measurement. Okay, so you can see that this measurement or reading is a bit lower now. It's saying 79.75, but let's try it one more time to make sure that there's no variance in that measurement. Right there, you can see it's kind of settled now, given that perhaps it was not quite ready to take my reading just then, being straight out of the box without any use. But you can see right now the three reads that we've just had all read the same at 79.75 kilograms. Okay, so now we can link it up with the app. The app is one of the coolest features of this digital smart scale because it lets you track and see your different metrics. So over here I do have my Sony Xperia XZ3, which I've unboxed before, and it's in the Case Collection Brush Carbon Fiber Slim TPU case, also unboxed some time ago on the channel. And let's see, by first of course going into the phone and then launching the Renpho app right there, which I've previously installed from a previous unboxing of another Renpho smart scale. So let's tap on that, and it's asked to turn on Bluetooth. Let's go ahead and do that. So it's done that by clicking or tapping on the OK to confirm Bluetooth turning on dialog. And now we can add a new device, so device management, and let's find a new smart scale. So you can see the two other smart scales that we've added before. Let's press plus, and now it's asked to step on the smart scale so that it can detect it. So let's do that. I'm just going to turn the scale around a bit so you can see what's going on the screen. So right there, and you can see when it does that 0 across the screen, it normally means that it is sending that data across. But let's see what's happened there. So it's saying pairing your device. Let's just try that again by, of course. Okay, so it's received some data, it appears. So let's just make sure. Okay, so it's detected, I'm not quite sure why it's detecting as ES-20M, but it's done that because it is the ES-26M model. Okay, so nonetheless, it has captured my weight. Let's do that again. So 7.9 kilograms. Let's see if that will send a new set of data across when I step on it. Just observe the smartphone as well as the scale, so you can see right there. Now it's received that data. You can see that reading there, 79.75, and that ding of the bell to indicate that it's received that weight as well as other metric data from the smart scale. And just to give you a snapshot right there, there's a screen showing the weight that's just been measured as well as other metrics right there at the bottom of the screen. So very, very comprehensive. Lots of data there to which you can baseline or at least reference your well-being or health. And of course you can see the measurement over time as well, showing weight. And we can see it over the month and year as well. Right there has been a bit of a break since I've taken a few measurements. And you can see the other stats as well. Body mass index, body fat, fat-free body weight, subcutaneous fat, visceral fat, body water, skeletal muscle, muscle mass, bone mass, protein, BMR, metabolic age, and that's it. So BMR, and so on and so forth. So pretty cool in terms of tracking your different body data. And right there, giving you an overall snapshot of your current reading. So let's take the measurement just one more time so you can see just how quickly and smoothly it works. And just like that, you see once again, it's sent the data to my smartphone, and those details can be accessed at any time using the Renpho smart app. So right there, and there's my data. So that's the Renpho Smart Digital Bathroom Scale. Thanks for watching and happy measuring!